When you think of physical education, maybe you've thought of those images. So this got us thinking about physical education as a whole in Marinol and the student experiences in PE classes. So we set up a survey, an EQ, and asked, how does gender impact the student experience in physical education? To start off, we got a sample size of 100 students, the population being all Marinol High School students from grades 9 to 12. Many factors could tie into this information. For example, who you have as a PE teacher can affect your mood in his or her class. Another factor in our data collection could be who we surveyed, as some people decided not to answer our question, while others gave really vague responses. From here, we surveyed 25 students from each grade, either being 12 boys and 13 girls, or being 13 boys and 12 girls, both totaling 50 students from each gender in the end. After collecting the data, we made an Excel spreadsheet and color coordinated the different ratings from each grade by gender. Then we decided to use two-way graphs as a way to depict our information. In our first table, we compared genders to ratings, while in our second table, we compared the freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior classes to their desired ratings. When analyzing the first table, we noticed that most males answered between 3 to 4 out of 5, while most females answered between 2 to 3 out of 5. When comparing grade levels, freshmen answered 3 the most, while sophomores answered 2, juniors answered 3, and seniors answered 4. After gathering information, we calculated the marginal distribution of rates and the marginal distribution of male and female. We also calculated the conditional distribution of rates amongst men and women. For the table on the left, we calculated the marginal distribution of rates as well as the marginal distribution between grades. Afterwards, we calculated the conditional distribution between freshmen, sophomore, juniors, and seniors. Segmented bar graphs were used to analyze the conditional distributions between males and females as well as a conditional distribution between freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors.